Who do you think that you're bumping into?
Let me go, Roscoe.
How did you know my name? How did you know my name? Let me... Candy, my old friend Candy. How you been, Candy?
I'm in a hurry, Roscoe.
Candy, I want your unvarnished opinion of me.
You're an upstanding citizen, Roscoe. Now I gotta go.
Thank you, Candy. There's a little apple knocker in there that says I am a big fat liverwurst. He's drunk. He's belligerent and he wants to fight.
You go ahead and fight him, and let me go.
Candy.
I'm sorry.
Why is everybody so unfriendly?